Okay, so today we're going to be showing the banana peel removal technique. So basically the reason it's called that is because you peel it back, the lash extension, like a banana peel. This is great for fills because you can't put lash remover on the lashes without losing ones that are still in great shape. So when you're doing a lash fill, you'll just have to go through, it doesn't take too long, just go through lash by lash and check to see which lashes are looking a little scraggly or which ones are grown out, and those will be the ones that you'll be removing. So in order to do the banana peel technique, you need to find the natural lash that the extension is attached to and just grab onto the lash extension and the natural lash at the same time. And just use a fairly firm pressure, not too much because you don't want to bend or damage the natural lash. So just securely hold, grab that lash, and peel back. And see how that just popped off just like that? And the client doesn't feel any discomfort at all. It actually feels quite relaxing. And we've removed a grown out lash extension. So I'll show that again so you can just get another look at the technique. So we'll go ahead with this lash here. Remove the final lash here. So just find the natural lash that it is attached to. And there you have it.